first crops were coming. And we are actually, from that time where we had March onwards, we realized that despite the limitations to go out, limitations to procure food, we were actually able to get enough vegetables from the garden. We didn't have to worry about supplies in the supermarket, and our lives were really minimally impacted by the pandemic. Our family and our children had still space to explore and to be outside. And for me and Ladia, we still had purposeful work every day. Every day we were not locked in. We still had purposeful work to go out and garden and keep ourselves busy. And that really kind of spurred us to think about, wow, you know, we thought that we had a crazy life in Lenggong, doing all these crazy things, living off the grid. But we realized in the COVID pandemic that it was not crazy, you know, it really prepared us to be very resilient now, having such minimal impacts on the quality of our lives. And that's where we thought that, okay, when we have to share this, because more and more people need to have this chance to learn how to be resilient in their own lives. You know, we have to keep inspiring ourselves, keep learning, keep growing, and everybody needs to keep growing. The kids need to keep growing, we need to keep growing as long as we are alive.